into here when you're done, right? You put this into the...
Well, I know because the water's in there, so that's the last of our water.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna sprinkle it in there. If I can get it open.
What's the matter, Bo? Nothing to growl about. There's nothing here for you unless I offer it to you. Remember that.
Thanks for joining. We're making lunch in our tent. It's a rainy day. And we're grumpy.
Grumpy as heck. I even censored myself. Oh, don't worry. You'll get some in a minute, okay? Everybody's gonna come.
So I'm just making some noodles and gravy.
Okay, huh? All right.
And some ham.
See it all inside on there.
Huh?
You can see it very well. Might want to shut that little light off though.
Little light.
Servo batteries. Might want to turn that down a bit.
Hope you guys are all warm. We're a little cold right now. We wanted something hot and comfort food. So that's why we're doing what we're doing. Nah, we're living off grid, honey. We just moved here. Hi. Cheap girl. Jay, nice to see you. Can you put the ham in here now, please?
Oh, I could. Would you like me to sprinkle it or throw it? It's a grumpy joke.
All right. Got hunks of ham with noodles and some gravy.
Baby.
And now it's gonna burn.
Why is it gonna burn?
Ah,
Turn the burner.
yeah, I can just shut it off.
Ooh.
Thanks, Jay. I'll just rub it in, Jen. It's raining. We're stuck in a tent that's leaky. It's just lovely.
That's lovely, lovely. Brat.
Actually, this tastes pretty good. Might not look good, but it tastes good.
Leave this up here anymore, do I?
So you were in our boudoir. It's very messy because we have so much shit in here right now. I've got my couch in here. My bed.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not fun, Jen. It's not fun. It's cold. Very cold. Okay. So, me and Steve are gonna... Woo! Look at you go.
Hope you all having a fun ride. No.
Oh, Lordy. I don't know. I don't know. Thank you. I need sun. Send me lots of sun. It's so cold in here. Here, let me see if I can switch you around so you can see everything.
Sure.
All right.
Dang mess.
So we have the bed over here. And there's our doors. And our doggy. And there's another doggy way over there.
We have ample water.
And it wasn't this messy until the rain came. And then here's my couch. And actually, it's quite comfy.
Sure.
And here's my food.
Except for the ducking part.
Oh, make us some food. All right, we need... You got forks?
I don't know. Probably. They're probably
Here.
in this box.
Here.
Oh, you pulled them out? Good
Yep,
girl.
yep.
Pretty good girl. Hey, Corona.
Corona. Look at my hair. You see my breath? It's a little cold in here.
Yeah. And we came here for the warmth.
That's been pretty warm here. But unfortunately, when it rains, we can't get up the hill that we came in. So it's very, very slippery with clay.
Yeah, everything is
Jen,
clay.
did you see my little Jeep? So cute.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have to come up here for a visit once we get established.
Bring a mechanic so he can fix the linkage. No, I'll take care of it. Oh,
Yeah, I love it. It's got a couple little issues, but Steve was going to look at it today, but it's raining, so no. No. Just in case you guys want to see more of us, we're going to be on YouTube too. We're going to go live at some point. Yes, it does. It does need to stop. Are you guys got snow?
it's coming. Snow and Misfits Bar. Sounds really yummy.
Are you expecting snow? Kim Beek Custom Lighting.
There.
How you doing? And Jimbo. And see, they come in, Jen, and then they leave us. What the hell?
Because it looks uncomfortable here.
Yeah. Hotness. Well, I'll pray for you when the snow comes. I know. What the hell? We're not usually on long enough to do our thing. Though it was a freaking sight putting my bed on top of the little Jeep. And I don't know why I didn't tape it, but I didn't. Funny. Just a little Jeep running around.
Pepper.
Here, I'll flip you around so you can say hi to Steve.
Pepper.
Look at his hair.
Pepper is like the #1 staple.
Food.
And I don't mean from like a Stanley staple gun.
No.
A little humor. Food always tends to warm the heart.
Well, we really got to build a cabin because this is for the birds with the rain on our heads.
Oh, we heard that birds
He
aren't
says,
real.
you're so pretty.
Who said that?
Jen.
Oh, thanks, Jen. Ditto, kiddo.
It is good. Feels good to get stuff in our belly. So, but the town said that we are have to get a permit and a perk test. So we're not building anything. So we're thinking about just building a cabin with no utilities or nothing in it. And then at least we'll have a shelter that's not going to be raining on our head. Hi, Jess. Oh my God, this is good. Yeah, we definitely need some. Definitely. Who that? Somebody wants to come live with us. I don't even know who you are. You want to come live?
You can listen to us eat.
And I can see your little face.
Oh, the little face.
Yeah. We could even battle. I love to battle. It's fun. I haven't seen any. I haven't been on. I think the longest we've been on a live is 27 minutes. And TikTok says upload your live or download, whatever. It doesn't put it all up. It only puts 10 minutes up. So if you guys go to Sandy and Steve Off Grid with Sandy and Steve, sorry, on YouTube, you'll get to see the whole video because I'll put it up there. In case you missed the live. And Steve can't even talk. He's so hungry.
And chili this morning.
I know it. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining. Anybody want to give us some likes? We're depleting in that area. Inspiration Daily. How you doing? Michael. And I'll come. Good to see you. Thank you. Thanks, Jen. Does your little finger work really fast and you can give me lots of likes? Goofball. Allie has her little fingers rolling.
Allie
Oh,
does?
Janet's on the move again.
Hi,
45 miles an hour. She better be careful in that weather. Did you plug your damn phone in, Jen? I love that I can see everybody. Makes me feel close to home. Oh, that's good. What, you want to battle? Speedway? I'll battle with you. Invite me to it. We'll give it a little battle. I'm not going to die, though. I got my cousin in the room. She'll like me to death.
Weirdos.
Come on, everybody, give me a little like. We'll share. No, like a real fight. You're a weirdo. No, thank you. I'll pass on that. Oh, man, I really want some corned beef. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That's just rude. Sometimes you just gotta block people.
What'd they say?
Does he do 2 in the pink and 1 in the stink?
Oh my God. Really?
Yeah.
Shocker.
Jen, you're always on. You should be my moderator. You can kick people out. Wonder how I do that. Jen is my top viewer. I don't know how to do that, though. Oh, there we go.
Oh, boy.
Jen, you are officially the moderator. If you see anybody acting like an asshole, you can dump them out.
Oh, you said asshole. Oh, so did I.
Thanks, Rach. I kicked him out. So anybody that's acting weird, you have the right to go, see ya.
They got nothing better to do with their time than to come on and harass people.
Yeah, I don't know why they do that.
Because they're idiots.
Silly people.
They're not very good people.
Following you back, Rach. Thank you. What you got, nice X? I don't know what that means.
Nice what?
X? I don't know.
Oh, what does that
You
mean?
not know.
X as in EX?
Yeah. Well, we get some hot topics going on here.
Maybe that's from somebody who likes your X.
I don't know. But thank you, Rachel, for backup. Oh, thank you. Look at this case of Diamond Nuts. They're little 32 packs, almonds. Had to bring them.
Only 100 calories per pack.
Oh, Donna, okay. Thank you. I understand now, girl. I get it. Give me a little follow. Follow you back. Anybody wants to follow me, I'll follow you back.
Right back.
I have no shame.
No shame.
I follow everybody.
Except for Mr. 2 in the pink and 1 in the stink. Won't
I
follow
thought
him.
it was X's and O's, silly. Oh, you didn't send me hugs. Oh, just kisses? Gotcha. Oh, feels good to get something in my belly. You can finish that right up because I am not going to. This is so much.
Sure is, huh?
My feet are so cold. Very chilly. It was so nice sleeping last night. I had my bed for the first time. Oh my God, did that feel nice. Slept all the way through the night. That was super nice. Right now, you just kind of caught us. Anybody knew? Eating. It's raining out. We're in North Carolina, off-grid, in the rain with our 2 dogs. And it's been so much fun right now. But we need to build a shelter. We haven't done that yet. We're just trying to get all our stuff into the land. It's got a steep road that we got to get into, which means we can't get into it in the rain. So when it rains, we're stuck on the property. Till it dries up. It's kind of like the itsy bitsy spider.
Stupid spider.
I wonder if I can like myself. Damn, I can't. I can't like myself. Mom, life of 3 to go. Hey. My daughter's got a similar name to that.
How's that match, huh?
See, I hope you're all staying warm. What are you all doing today? Oh, Jen, you got me up to 5. Woohoo! If you tap, 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 you'll see the heart bar rise. And if you keep tapping, you'll see your, like how many you sent up. All right, here. I just cleaned out now, hanging with you guys. Are you home? Aren't you working? Oh, wait a minute, it's Sunday. We have no sense of time here. None.
Other than daytime, nighttime.
Yeah. And we go to bed rather early because it's dark.
Only problem is you wake up early, too.
Yeah, you do. That's nice. I like no work. Let's see. Who else?
Your mouth open, huh, Bo? Huh?
Rob Canny. How you doing?
Yes, he do. He's going some more here.
Yeah, they can have mine. Yeah. My girlfriend has, like, we installed Ring at her house, and I'm helping her monitor. She's got a whole bunch of people stealing animals, breaking in. She lives in Springfield. I'm like, oh, the drama over there.
But we saved her with the
I don't know, Jen.
apparatuses I put on her door.
Is it supposed to rain all day, did you say?
Yeah, it's supposed to be until like, I don't know, till almost sunset time.
Oh, boy.
And then that's when the temperature drops again.
Maybe we can have a bonfire later. That would be nice. Very nice. Hi, Madge. Look at that pretty boy and just sitting there in the puddle. Madge, want some ham? There you go. All right. I don't want no more. He is a good boy.
They're both good boys. They're just
Yeah.
stupid sometimes.
Look at him. Oh my God, Jem, did Em tell you about the dogs getting out of the tent while we were sleeping? They unzipped it.
Bo did.
Yep, Bo did. Little shit.
And they went and fought with dogs up the hill.
Yep. Went up the hill,
Bo got
started fighting with the other dogs. Yeah. It was insane. I thought Magic was dead. I heard Bo screaming. His husky scream. And then next thing I know, Bo was back. Yeah. And no Magic. Magic didn't come back. The cats are at Gina's right now. We're going to get them this week, but I have to clean this tent up again after it stops raining. And I want to keep them in the tent for a little while so they get used to the smells. And then they're free to go wherever they want. Yeah, they better. Gina wants to keep Bella. And,
Yeah, Daddy's favorite kitty.
yeah, mommy's girl. But she really likes it there. And I just see a calmness that I haven't seen in her in a long time. So I decided to let her keep her. But with the stipulation that if she's not happy, that she needs to bring her back. Mm-hmm. Ham is chewy. When you're done, will you get me...
Oh, sure.
No, sure.
No problem. Yeah, Maggie. Did you give him... You didn't give him a bunch from your bowl?
Yeah, I can see her whenever I want, Jen. She's only half hour away.
Yeah,
but she's so calm there. I mean, she just sprawls out. She hid in our house. It's too much chaos. She doesn't like it. They're pretty chilled. So she's been...
She would love it here.
She was sleeping with Justin, and she sits with him while he watches TV.
Okay, where is the bag?
I don't know.
That was almost...
There's Bobby. Hi, Bo.
Bo Doodles. Yum.
Pretty boy. Hello, friends. We're stuck inside. We went off grid in Carolina, and we're stuck in a tent right now because it's raining. If you look above Steve's head, you'll see the drips. And there's a tarp up there. Yeah, he's a pretty boy.
Oh, me?
No.
Oh, wow.
Jen, you weren't talking about Steve, right?
Somebody needs glasses. She already called me a pretty boy.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I love you, Jen. Thank you, baby.
Oh, no, my lighter is. Lighter is missing. Doodah.
They both are, huh? Oh, no. Now we get to die.
He's got a blanket around him. He said he was cold.
Poor boy.
Oh, now he's tired. It's so hard for him here.
Yeah, just
living the life.
Scratch himself. What did I do with it? Oh, I got mine.
Yep.
What's yours? Oh, hey.
What?
Didn't you pull this out to use it and then you never used it?
Oh, yeah, I was going to throw that in. I thought it would taste good.
Oh, well, guess what you didn't throw in? The taste.
Yep. They're both spoiled.
Oh, yeah, they're fucking spoiled.
But they seem to really like it out here.
Except for when we get in the car and tell them we'll be back.
Yeah, well, we've been leaving them alone. And they've been doing good. Can I have that?
No. Because you're going to lose it.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to lose this. I'm going to want this back. You're going to wish these days. Hi, Madge. Oh, now you want the pan, do you? Anyway, you guys are never satisfied, are you? Okay, what'd I do with the pan?
Oh, magic. What are you doing?
What, did you pull that out?
No, he wants the pan.
Yeah.
He wants to do our dishes for us.
Yeah.
Maggie, what are you doing? Hi. Mrs. Williams, I see you. Look at us in our tents.
Yay.
Oh, I think Jen left.
Uh-oh.
Or did Mrs. Williams leave? I don't know. One of them did. Oh, there she is. Hi, cousin. Ready for battle? Now he's doing his own show. Oh, that's weird. It's only showing me ones here. Ah, gotcha. I got a notification. You know how long I've been on? Quite a while. It's weird.
Angels Keto Boot Camp. Start following me. Awesome.
What are you doing, Gina? You have time now or no? Jen, can you go live yet? Oh.
Did you really want to?
Well, I think you should
Nice.
get your goals there and make yourself go live. I think you should
Nice.
get your goals there and make yourself go live. I think you should
Nice.
get your goals there and make yourself go live.